Hello friends, today I Mrs. Leela Chaudhary want to share with you about classical dances in India. How did the classical dances originate in India? People had gone to temples to worship by performing dance in ancient time. Most of the classical dance forms originated in temples. Worshipping was the main aim. Although every dance form evolved from different regions, their roots are the same. The roots can be traced from the Sanskrit text Natya Shastra. The first compilation of Natya Shastra is dated between 200 BCE and 200 CE. Today, Indian classical dances are very popular dance all over the world. Now, forms of dance in India. There are two forms of dance in India: classical dance and folk dance. What is classical dance? A form of dance which is characterized by grace and precision of movement and elaborate in formal gesture, steps and pauses. Now the dance is presented in theatre in groups or solo dance with music and costume is used to give effects of scene and convey a story or theme. A musical composition written or used for the dance form. There were 8 classical dances earlier. Now one more classical dance is included by Cultural Minister of India, and at present there are 9 classical dances in India. The two basic aspects of classical dance are Las and Tandav. Las indicates grace, bhav, ras and abhinay. It symbolizes the feminine features of dance as an art form. Tandav indicates the male features of dance and emphasizes on rhythm and movement. There are 9 basic expressions which are expressed in classical dances. First one is Sringar, means love, Hasya, humorous, Karuna, sorrow, Rudra, anger, Veer, heroism, Bhayanak, fear, Bibhats, disgust, Adbhut, wonder, Shanta, peace. Odissi is the classical dance which is originated in Odisha. This classical dance was filled with bhakti ras in ancient days where people were worshipped to God at Jagannath temple. That's why many sculptures in dance position are seen inside the temple. Las and Tandav are combined with it, graceful and mesmerizing. It looks like waves of the seas. Traditional Odissi classical dance has 2 styles to perform the dance. First one is Maharis, means Devdasis or temple girl. Second is Goti Pua, performed by boys. Now Kathak Nritya. Kathak is graceful and charming classical dance form of North India. The meaning of the word is Katha, Kahe. It is so called Kathak. The themes of Kathak revolve around stories of Ramayana, Mahabharata and Krishna. Ras Leela of Brij is very famous Kathak Nritya. The heavy ghungroos are worn by the dancers. It is famous for its footwork, imaging, spins and najakat. Next is Manipuri classical dance. Manipuri classical dance form originated from Manipur. It was traditionally performed as dance drama on devotional songs. Manipuri classical dance shows the love between Radha and Krishna through Ras Leela. This nritya is categorized as Las and Tandav. It is a soft and graceful form of dance. Ghungroos are not worn in this dance. It is indeed a mesmerizing dance form. Next dance is Kathakali. Dazzling classical dance of Kerala is Kathakali. Katha means a story or tale and Kali means performance and arts. Ancient Kathakali dance form is based on martial arts and athletics. It is basically a dance drama form of dance. Traditionally, it was a male dominated dance. Nowadays, females are welcomed in this dance form. It is famous for its face masks and amazing makeup styles. Another graceful classical dance of Kerala is Mohiniyattam. It is Las inspired dance with soft, calm, and gentle movements. This dance is categorized as feminine, usually done by women. The word Mohini is related to the charming women avatar of Lord Vishnu too and the evil powers. In this nritya, hand gestures and facial expressions elaborate the description of mudras. Next dance is Bharatanatyam. Bharatanatyam is the oldest classical dance form of Tamil Nadu. The word Bharatanatyam is formed by adding 4 words as bhav, ras, rag and tal. In Bharatanatyam, nritya, religious and devotional stories are expressed. This dance is presented by bent legs while feet keep rhythm. Hands are seen in different mudras. The symbolic hand gestures tell a story in this nritya. The next classical dance is Kuchipudi. The Kuchipudi classical dance form is originated in Andhra Pradesh. This dance is gradually developed as a solo dance form, and today we can see both male and female performing it. It has themes related to Vaishnavism, Lord Krishna, Rukmini, Satyabhama, and other myths. This dance also holds certain specialties of Bharatanatyam and Odissi as well. Next dance is Satriya. Satriya is the traditional dance drama of Assam. It is influenced by Vaishnavis. The themes performed are on Radha, Krishna and other myths. Satriya performance integrated 2 styles, one masculine, Poroshik, Bhangi, energetic and with jumps, and feminine, Stri Bhangi. Both male and female perform this beautiful and expressive dance on the modern platform. Next dance is Chhau. The Chhau is a blend of folk, tribal and martial arts. Chhau is derived from Sanskrit word chhaya, meaning shadow, image or mask. Chhau has 3 different types originated from 3 different regions. Each type has its own unique features, patterns and style of performing and ornamentation as well. Number 1 is Saraikela Chhau, originated from Jharkhand. Next is Mayurbhanj Chhau, is originated from district of Odisha, and third one is Purulia Chhau dance. It is originated from West Bengal. Mayurbhanj Chhau classical dance does not use masks. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you for watching it.